Question. P.S. The square root of 12 plus square root of 8 whole over square root of 6 plus 2 is equivalent to which of the following? Solution. Let us talk about the first property of square root and cube root. To multiply the nth root of two numbers, we multiply the two numbers and then take the nth root of the product. So, square root of a times square root of b equals square root of a times b equals square root of a times b. Let us talk about the fourth property of square root and cubed root. This property is also known as the distributive property. If two roots are in the form of a product of a root and a real coefficient, then the addition or subtraction of the roots is the product of the root and the sum or difference of the coefficients. So a times square root of b plus c times square root of b equals a plus c whole times square root of b, where b is greater than equal to 0. Also, a times cube root of b plus c times cube root of b equals a plus c whole times cube root of b. Let us talk about the sixth property of square root and cube root. An even exponent under the same even root will result in an absolute value of the number, while an odd power under the same odd root will result in the number itself. So, square root of a squared times b equals modulus a times square root of b, and cube root of a cubed times b equals a times cube root of b. We are required to find the value of square root of 12 plus square root of 8 whole over square root of 6 plus 2. This type of questions appear frequently on the exam. If you find solving them difficult, take a deep breath and try again. Let us find the value of the numerator. Square root of 12 plus square root of 8 equals square root of 2 times 6 plus square root of 2 times 4 equals square root of 2 times square root of 6 plus square root of 2 times square root of 4 equals square root of 2 times whole of square root of 6 plus square root of 4 equals square root of 2 times whole of square root of 6 plus square root of 2 squared equals square root of 2 times whole of square root of 6 plus modulus 2 equals square root of 2 times whole of square root of 6 plus 2. So, square root of 12 plus square root of 8 whole over square root of 6 plus 2 is equal to square root of 2 whole times square root of 6 plus 2 whole over square root of 6 plus 2. The term whole of square root of 6 plus 2 can be cancelled out from both the numerator and the denominator. Then, square root of 2 times whole of square root of 6 plus 2 whole over square root of 6 plus 2 equals square root of 2. Thus, A is the correct answer. Answer A.